Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the Shark AI Robot Vacuum, a powerful cleaning machine with smart mapping, scheduling, and pet hair pickup. If you're tired of constantly vacuuming up pet hair or dealing with dirty carpets, this is the solution you've been waiting for. With incredible suction power and the ability to target specific rooms or high traffic zones, this robot vacuum is perfect for homes with pets. It uses lidar technology to map out your home for precise cleaning and can avoid objects up to 4 inches high, ensuring total home coverage day or night. Not only does it clean with precision, but it also has hands-free control with voice activation through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Additionally, the PowerFins brush roll digs deep into carpets and directly engages floors for incredible cleaning performance. This Shark AI robot vacuum has been rigorously tested and perfected, guaranteeing reliable and high-quality performance. It even comes with 1. Charging dock, 2. Sets of side brushes, and 2. Filters for your convenience. Say goodbye to pet hair and dirty floors. Click the link in the description to get your own Shark AI robot vacuum and experience the convenience and power of this incredible cleaning machine. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful reviews and tips on keeping your home clean and tidy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.